I give up, Karen.
Oh, Robin, I learned a new word today.
Is it a science vocabulary word?
Why, as a matter of fact, it is.
Excellent. Which one is it?
Oh, guess.
No, really, which one is it?
Guess.
You really want me to guess?
Yeah, there's not that many words in the scientific vocabulary spectrum.
Mitochondria.
No.
Lepidoptera.
No.
Blah.
You didn't say neon.
Neon.
That's not it.
Periodic table of the elements.
No.
Bauxite.
Okay, I'll just tell you.
Thank you.
Speed.
Oh, very cool concept. Very good vocabulary word. Of course, you know what it means.
I do. I actually know this one.
Excellent. Well.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
No, that's not it.
Are you sure?
The definition of speed is not insanity. The definition of speed is a change of position over time. Change of position over time. Speed.
But didn't I do that?
Yeah, but it was pretty intense. I was concentrating on the sounds you were making more than what you were doing.
Okay, I'll do it in mime.
Okay. Much better. See? She's changing her position over time. She has speed.
But you have to always go really, really fast.
No.
No?
The definition is a change in position over time. I have speed if I do this. You see, fast or slow, doesn't matter. Something has speed if it changes its position over time. Hello, Karen.
Hi, Robin.
I was just thinking how important vocabulary is.
Vocabulary. That's words.
Yeah, it is. Words you have to know in order to understand something.
Oh?
Right?
Okay.
So, you know what I've been thinking about?
I can't imagine.
Acceleration. Acceleration.
Acceleration?
Acceleration.
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 All right. Well, that's really swell. You just keep working on that. Just keep thinking about it.
You know what it is, right?
Sure I do.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, tell me that.
Well, I think maybe you should tell everybody.
No, why don't you tell them?
No, you tell them.
You said you know what it was.
You tell them.
Oh, you don't really know.
What? Of course Now I don't.
All right, fine. Let me explain it to you. Here
Okay.
we go. Acceleration. It's a change in speed. Change in speed. Speed. Okay, so, check it out.
Okay.
If I'm walking towards you like this, all of a sudden I won't go a little faster. Yeah, see. By going faster, I accelerate.
Oh.
But it also goes the other way. If I'm walking toward you and I stop, you can say that I decelerated, or you can say that I accelerated in the opposite direction in order to stop. How about them apples?
That's pretty fancy.
Ooh, and there's something else.
What?
It's not just a change in speed, it's a change in direction. So, if I'm walking toward you and I want to go in this direction, I've changed my direction, but I've had to accelerate. I have to push off in order to make that happen.
So let me get this straight.
Why what?
Last night,
Yep.
I was riding my bicycle. La 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 la. It was after dinner. La 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 la.
Do you always make that
Just a
sound
slow.
when you ride your bike? You always make that sound?
I always do, yes.
Okay, fine.
La 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 la.
All right.
And then I saw off in the distance. There it was.
Get what?
The ice cream parlor.
Oh my goodness.
All I could think about in my brain was a beautiful big ice cream cone with chocolate ice cream on top and a cherry on the very top.
What'd you do?
Well, then I started going really fast.
You always make that sound when you accelerate?
Of course I do.
Fine, fine.
So was that accelerating?
Yeah, that was accelerating.
Oh, so I went from slow to fast.
Yeah? Did you get any ice cream?
No,
Why's that?
they were closed.
Why?
Well, it was nighttime.
Oh, I get it now. You know, something very...
Robin.
Excuse me.
Robin.
Yes, Karen?
I got a question for you.
Sure.
Well, you see, my entire life, I've used the word weight. I get on the bathroom scales, and I weigh, 40 pounds. I go to the grocery store, and I pick up some grapes, and it's a pound of grapes. And now, all of a sudden, they're telling me that's not the correct word to use. They're telling me that some fancy schmancy, really long, hard word that's used for this thing, and I don't understand.
You mean that really long, complicated,
Yes.
fancy schmancy word with 4 letters in it?
Maybe.
Mass.
That's it.
The word is mass. Scientists don't like to use the word weight. They like to use the word mass. You want to know why they don't like to use the word weight?
I would love to know that.
Because it depends on where you are.
Well, I'm right here.
Yeah, we're both on the planet Earth.
Thank goodness.
On the planet Earth, I weigh 147 pounds.
So,
You want to know how much I weigh on the moon?
147 pounds.
No. The moon is much smaller. It has much less mass than the Earth. On the moon, I weigh 24 and a half pounds. Same mass.
How is that possible?
Because weight has to do with gravity's pull on a mass. On the sun, I would weigh 3,000 pounds. Because the sun has so much more mass than the Earth has.
But you'd still be the same?
Same mass.
So wait, you're telling me that just you, all the stuff inside of you,
Yeah.
is mass.
Yeah. It's how much stuff is in something. If you had a bag full of popcorn and a bag full of rocks, which one do you think has more mass?
The rocks.
There you go.
Because if I pick up a piece of popcorn, it feels pretty light.
Yeah.
But why is that?
Lots of air in it. Lots of little crinkles and stuff.
And if I pick up a rock the same size, it's heavier.
Yeah. No air, no little crinkles.
So there's more molecules, more matter, more
Yeah.
stuff in there?
More stuff in there. Here, let me show you something. Ugh. There we go. Here's my friend.
Wow, what is that?
This is Kathy. This is Kathy the bowling ball. It says right there.
It does, right there,
It does,
Kathy.
Kathy.
Oh, hi, Kathy. Nice to meet you.
All right. So, let's see if we can find something that's about the same size as Kathy.
Let's see. Oh,
Ah, there we go. Almost the same size.
almost.
Okay, toss yours in the air.
La,
There we go.
la, 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 la.
There we go.
La, la.
Piece of cake, right?
Piece of cake.
Okay, now, okay,
Go
Kathy.
ahead, toss
All right,
yours up.
Kathy,
Yeah, I
we're
wanna
going for a ride. Here we go, yeah. Ugh.
see. Well, why are you having such difficulty? Are you a weak person?
I am. Try that.
Ooh!
That's what I'm talking about.
My goodness.
Yes, indeed. Here, try a little experiment.
Okay.
Okay, see what I'm doing here?
Yeah, squeezing it.
Okay.
I'm gonna squeeze my fingers
Just go ahead and
Get it.
squeeze that bowling
Yeah.
ball. Having a little trouble, aren't you?
Just a little bit.
But I'm able to squeeze
Wow.
mine, right?
Look at that.
So I'm squeezing the air out of this thing. It doesn't have nearly as much mass as that.
Because this has more stuff in it.
More stuff. Mass.
Oh, mass.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Eeny, meeny, gypsalini, oo, bop, bop, alini, hachi, kachi, liberace, I love you. Take a peach, take a plum, take a piece of bubble gum. No peach, no plum, just a piece of bubble gum. Hey boy, what's your name? Jody. What you eating? Hamburger, give me some. Breathe in. Jump out the window saying, eeny, meeny, gypsalini, oo, bop, bop, alini, hachi, kachi, liberace, I love you.
A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Eeny, meeny, chips, and eeny, believe me, hachi, hachi, Liberace, I love you. Take a peach, take a plum, take a piece of bubblegum. No peach, no plum, just a piece of bubblegum. Hey boy, what's your name? Jody, what you eating? Hamburger, give me some breathing. Jump out the window, say, eeny, meeny, chips, and eeny, believe me, hachi, hachi, Liberace, I love you.